Welcome to another video. There is a revolution happening in medicine, and it is not happening in a lab anymore. It is happening inside people's brains because scientists have figured out how to connect our minds directly to computers, and 5 breakthroughs in particular are changing the game, giving paralyzed patients their independence back and opening doors we never thought possible. First, imagine not being able to speak, but being able to communicate faster than you ever could before, because that is what a new brain implant has done for a man with ALS, a disease that slowly takes away your ability to move and speak. He has been using a brain-computer interface, or BCI, for almost 2 years now, and the results are nothing short of mind-blowing because he has communicated nearly 2 million words using just his thoughts, at an average speed of 56 words per minute, and the system is 99% accurate with a vocabulary of over 125,000 words. This is not science fiction. This is a man who can now tell his family he loves them, ask for a drink, or work on his computer, all by simply thinking, and he has been doing this independently at home for over 3,800 hours, proving that these devices are not just lab experiments anymore. They are practical tools that can restore independence and quality of life. Second, researchers have gone a step further, and they have not just restored movement, they have restored the sense of touch itself, because a man who was completely paralyzed from the chest down after a diving accident can now feel his sister's hand and pet his dog again. The system is called the double neural bypass, and it works by implanting tiny electrodes in the man's brain that read his thoughts and send them to a computer, and then the computer uses AI to stimulate his muscles to move his own hand. But here is the incredible part. Sensors and a special brace on his hand send signals back to his brain to create the feeling of touch, and after weeks of training, he could feed himself and drink from a cup, and even more importantly, his muscles grew 86%. Stronger on one side and 62% on the other over 35 weeks. Gains that lasted for over 2 years after the stimulation stopped. This means the technology is not just bypassing the injury, it is actually rewiring the nervous system, and for the first time, a paralyzed man can feel his dog's fur again. Third, scientists are finding ways to do this without cutting open the skull, and a Chinese company has won the race to bring the first commercial brain implant to hospitals, beating Elon Musk's Neuralink to the finish line. The device, called NEO, is a coin-sized chip placed on the surface of the brain, not inside the brain tissue, which makes it less invasive, and it was recently implanted in a patient who was paralyzed from a car accident 10 years ago, and after the surgery, the patient could control a robotic glove with their thoughts, and their vital signs are stable, meaning this technology is now available for hospitals to use commercially, not just in trials. Meanwhile, another Chinese system called Bainao 1 has been implanted in nearly 30 patients, with the longest one living with the device for over a year, and patients can decode nearly 100 commonly used Chinese words or control limb movement simply by imagining it, and one patient who was completely paralyzed even learned to walk again after a year of training. Fourth, the most futuristic development is one that sounds like it is straight out of a sci-fi movie: microscopic, wireless bioelectronics that can be injected into your arm and find their own way to the brain. MIT researchers created these tiny devices and attached them to immune cells, which naturally travel to inflamed areas in the brain, and once they arrive, these microscopic implants self-implant into the brain tissue without any surgery, and then researchers can wirelessly power them from outside the body to deliver precise electrical stimulation to treat diseases like Alzheimer's or chronic pain. This completely eliminates the need for risky brain surgery, because all it takes is a simple injection, and the devices are so small and precise that they can even target microscopic areas of disease that doctors cannot see with imaging, potentially allowing for much earlier detection and treatment of devastating brain conditions. Fifth, researchers are now using temporary, removable brain implants to make surgeries safer and more precise, because a team at Johns Hopkins placed a tiny device smaller than a postage stamp on the brains of 4 patients undergoing surgery, and within less than 20 minutes, it mapped their neural activity with high accuracy and helped them move a cursor or express words. This used to take hours or days to figure out, but now it is being done in minutes, and because the device is temporary and easily removed, doctors can study how different parts of the brain work without permanently implanting anything, and this could be a huge step forward in making brain surgeries safer and more personalized. At the same time, researchers are developing new materials like soft, water-rich gels that mimic brain tissue and could replace the rigid metal electrodes that the brain often rejects, making long-term implants safer, more stable, and much less likely to cause problems. So here is where we stand: 5 breakthroughs that together show us a future where paralysis is no longer permanent, speech loss is no longer a barrier, and even diseases like Alzheimer's could be treated without ever cutting open the skull. because the technology has already given a paralyzed man his ability to feel again, a speechless man his voice, and patients around the world are regaining independence. And the common thread through all of this is that we are entering an age where the gap between the human mind and the digital world is disappearing, where your thoughts can control machines, and your body can heal itself with a little help from technology. And if you have made it this far, you are already ahead of the curve, because most people will never know that science fiction is already happening inside the brains of real people, but you will, and that makes all the difference. If this helped, hit follow and subscribe for more.